finished up these automated gates. This is a Viking system. I'm using a Ascent X1 keypad that's got some pretty cool features like intercom, remote control with your phone, things like that. So let's take a look at it. I'm gonna open this on my phone. We're just gonna hit latch open. Oh, gotta click yes. There you go. So this will hold the gate open indefinitely. You also have the option to do just a single open command, which will allow the timer to close the gate after 15 seconds. So this is the wiring here. You can see that this open light is held on because my phone is telling it to stay open. This guy's about to leave, so I'll pause it and let him get out of here first. Alright, he's out of here. So we're gonna hit release latch on here, and this is gonna allow the keypad to close. So now my timer is starting to count down. And there it goes.